Silkytreat Channel Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 1 hour 30 minutes start to finish. Pork fillet oranges fries. Ingredients: pork fillet, butter, extra virgin oil, salt, white pepper, black ground pepper, nutmeg, potato cut in French fries, 6 oranges, 3 soup spoon of white sugar, honey, neutral frying oil. Preparation: in a pan insert a piece of butter and a slash of extra virgin oil, melt slowly on low heat, add the meat, salt, white pepper, black ground pepper, nutmeg, brown the meat first, add 3 oranges in pieces, then cover with a lid and cook for 45 minutes to an hour on medium-low heat. Juice 3 other oranges, and then remove 3/4 of the oranges pieces that are cooking with the pork, blend them and sieve. Add in the extract 3 soup spoons of white sugar, honey, the juice of the 3 other oranges, bring to a boil and let it reduce to syrup consistency, about 15 minutes. Do not forget to stir during this time period. In a pot, bring neutral oil to 170 degrees Celsius, insert the fries, cook for 6 minutes, remove, wait 4 minutes, get the oil to 190 degrees Celsius and cook again for 2 minutes. This is used for double cooking the fries. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.